Bundles are products that are made up of other products in your catalog. While they drop from the stock of one or more of your other products, we'll track how much of each component is sold. This allows you to build dishes, track products in cases or packs, pour drinks, create gift packs, track commissions, and much more. Bundles are best used when you want component quantities deducted at the time of sale. For components to be deducted at production, like a bill of materials or pre-made recipe, check out our video and article on assemblies. The first step is to create all of the component products you'll need for your bundle. Make sure to label them clearly as you track them, as this will help when setting up the bundle. Let's go through an example of a simple cheeseburger. The buns, cheese, and meat are all products in inventory that are clearly labeled in the unit in which they come and have a cost entered. The ingredients will also be set to inactive, as I don't sell them nor want them to display on the POS or website. Bundle components can be active as well if you also sell them individually. We'll create the cheeseburger product, enter its price, and click this gear wheel to convert it into a bundle. The buns come in a pack of 12, and I'm using 1 bun per cheeseburger, so the amount that we will draw from the pack of buns is 1 divided by 12, or 0.083. We'll use 1 beef patty as it is tracked by the patty, and 1 slice of cheese out of the pack of 100. 1 divided by 100 is 0.01. You'll notice that the cost of the bundle is grayed out. That's because bundle costs are automatically calculated based on the costs of the components we selected and the quantities used. You can see the total calculated cost for a single unit back on the main catalog list. You can view your bundles on the main catalog list as well, and can filter to only see bundles like this. We have videos for other specific use cases in the Help Center, such as selling pours out of a larger bottle, selling single items out of a case, and bulk deals like 2 for 1, so check out those if any of those cases apply to you. For more information, tutorials, and step-by-step guides, visit the help documents linked below. If you need additional assistance, contact our customer care team using the chat bubble in the bottom right corner of our website.